Hi Alex, how are you? I hope that you and your family are doing well.
Hi, Sam. Yes, we are doing fine. Thanks. I hope you too.
Oh, absolutely, everything's fine. Thank you for asking. Just want to be able to express how eager and excited we all are here at Edmund Optics about this partnership in terms of combining our forces here to bring more cutting-edge laser optics products to demanding customer base around the world. So very excited.
Thanks, Sam. UltraFast Innovations is also very excited to enter into this partnership, and I'm pretty sure we will be leveraging Edmund Optics' global customer access and marketing. And through this partnership, we are able to provide integral optical consulting to solve customers' problems.
Yeah, I think it's a nice combination between your technology and it really augments our manufacturing capabilities internally. So I think this is a wonderful thing. I think culturally, I've always been really appreciative of UltraFast Innovation's ability to be customer oriented and customer centric. To me, that resonates a lot. So I think culturally, in fact, the fact that we both put customers at the forefront of our motivations, I think is a very nice thing to see. So I look forward to it.
Exactly. So UltraFast Innovations has been customer orientated for 11 years now. And with this partnership, we really command Edmund's manufacturing capabilities and recent developments in laser optics. So Edmund Optics is really an ideal partner for UltraFast Innovations. And me and my team look forward to continued success with Edmund Optics.
Yes, agreed. So congratulations. I look forward to many years of fruitful collaboration around this to service our customers around the world. So thank you for all your efforts on this, and it's really nice to see you again.
I really have to thank you and Edmund Optics, and we have a promising future.